everybody, I'm the Collector here. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the background noise, wind and the fan and the air is on. Or the air that's trying to work but don't work. So today for you, I got these Care Bear Caring Cuties. I really want Share Bear. I got these at Walmart online. They were like 12 something a piece. Oh, I didn't notice the box was like that. Nothing bag. Oh, I guess I need a knife. Because the tear thing is not tearing. Oh, we have, Cheer Bear. So cute, super soft, has a back clip. Her eyes are super cute. Come on. I really want Share Bear. We got one more. Boxes are really hard to get into. Alrighty. I got a good night bear. How cute. A bedtime bear. Super cute. Oh, I might have to go search on the Walmart site, see if I can get two more. I know when I got them last time, they were the last two, so I really want Share Bear. Alright, comment, like, subscribe, share, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.